We're currently creating a customer appreciation letter using Google Docs within Google Drive. The reason for this letter is for a company called Snap Pilot, which is one of the leading flight schools. So basically what I'm going to show you for this tutorial is how to edit the basic document. What I'm going to do is start typing the body of the letter. August 1, 2012, David Smith. And like most word processors, I'm just hitting enter on the keyboard to go to the next line. And right now the goal is just to type it all in. Now you can see that I just accidentally typed flight wrong and it's underlined. So this is Google's way of letting me know that there is a spelling error there. And it's really easy to fix. I'm just going to right click and right at the top says, did you mean flight? And I did, so I'll click on that. Just going to scroll down slightly. And actually this leads us to our first pro tip for this section. Basically, if you're running out of room on the screen, you can do full screen editing. It's really useful. As you'll see, what it's going to do is take away the toolbar and make it easier to save more room on the screen for the text that I'm typing. To do that, I'm just going to go to View, Full Screen. And there's a reminder up here that we're in full screen mode, and all we need to do is press Escape on the keyboard to show the controls again once we're done. Okay, so now I'm just going to press Escape to bring back the main controls again. And I have another pro tip that I want to show you that can be really useful. This pro tip is for customizing automatic substitution. So for example, what if you find that instead of typing and, you tend to type that? What I'm about to show you is really neat because you can customize this and it'll turn that into that. To do that, we can go to Tools, Preferences, and here we go. So now with automatic substitution, I can type in ADN and replace it with AND. As a note on these other options, smart quotes, what that means is if it's checked, you're getting quotes that are more rounded than angular, and then automatically detect links just means that if I start typing in a website URL, it'll automatically detect that and underline it and make it clickable. Next, we're going to click on OK. And now I'm just going to delete this. And now if I type in ADN and space, it automatically corrects it to AND. So you can use that if you find when you're typing that you're making consistent typos. It's really helpful. Now you know how to edit in Google Docs and create a first letter.